Are you wondering how to change the first day of the week in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. Now, you might be wondering when you go to your calendar why it starts with Monday. Maybe you start on the weekend, or maybe even your settings are set up and it is showing either a Saturday or a Sunday, and you don't want that to happen, you want that to be a Monday. Well, it's a very, very quick and simple fix, you'll be pleased to hear. All you need to do is navigate to your settings, and to do that, go to the top right hand corner of your screen. You then want to click on My Settings. From here, you just want to click Display. And then there is a drop down next to the first day of the week, and you have three options in Asana. You can have your first day of the week as a Sunday, as a Monday, or as a Saturday. So at the moment, I'm set as a Sunday. Let's change it to a Saturday to show you what that looks like, so that you don't need to press save or anything. It's just going to automatically update that, and that's going to apply to all of the projects, in your account or in your tool. And then if we go here, you'll see here that, let's go July. Just resync it. I might even refresh actually. Oh, press the wrong button there. Refresh. You should find that on the left hand side, the first left tile, you will see Saturday. So then if I were to change that to, let's go to display again, let's change this to a Monday, you'll see that it's just updated in the background there. And if we go to Saturday, you'll see again it's changed. So that is how to change the first day of the week. As you can see at the moment, the only options are Sunday, Monday and Saturday, so do bear that in mind. But with that said, I hope this video was useful. Please do hit the like button if it was, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos on Asana and using this project management tool. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.